Colonel Mini Baloi Chiwenga has dismissed claims that a marriage to Vice President Constantino Chiwenga influences her military standing, saying, ranks are earned through service, not marriage. Isana bina mashukano budanyo kwa pangwa inoi, achitauga na Mini Baloi, zvinonoko kunzi, ma speeches ari tuna Mini Baloi pangwa inoi, anoona achi unobata-bata nekuno gumbura vazhinji, but she just have to stand firm. Nokutaura chokwadi ndipo subscribe or like on the bell icon. Mobile Mchinzi. Vice President Constantino Chiwenga's wife, Colonel Miniota Baloi, has made it clear that her marriage to one of Zimbabwe's most senior military figures does not give her a higher rank or exempt her from military protocol. Baloi, a senior Zimbabwe National Army officer, said she continues to salute senior commanders because military hierarchy is determined by official rank, not marriage, status, or personal relationships. Reflecting on nearly 3 decades in uniform, Baloi said Defense Forces Day was an emotional reminder of her journey since joining the military at 19 in 1996. She credited the army with teaching her discipline and emotional intelligence, which helped her navigate difficult periods. Addressing a question frequently posed by civilians, she stressed, the wife of a VP is not a VP, nor is she a general. She added that military seniority is not sexually transmitted, insisting that she attends military ceremonies as a colonel without special treatment because she is married to vice president. Toma developments and Buddha talk upon why na Mini Baloi. When comment section me report zamafu elimot kudi pamsoro pay mashokano deliver na Mini Baloi pangona marriage doesn't change my rank. When comment section me subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.